Morning, Master Designers. Tonight we're going to draw metallifekuwagamon. One of the main characters from Season 3 of Digimon Fusion. One of my personal favorites. It was seen during the season finale when they first fought against Quartzmon. Now let's get started. Season 3 is also known as Digimon Fusion Hunters. And I always saw metallifekuwagamon as a good guy. Hold on a sec, Mom! Here are the bulletproof fingers. Bullet blasting fingers. Now here's the last leg. And finished! That's how you draw metallifekuwagamon.